Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Brianna and I'm coming back to you with a collaboration this time. I am collaborating with Deja and I'm super excited about it. We decided to do a pink and purple smoky eye for Valentine's Day. So if you'd like to know how we got our looks, please stay tuned. So for this first part of the look, I am using Makeup Revolution's Flawless 4 palette from Ulta. For my transition shade, I am going in with the color On Top, which is kind of like a pinkish coral, and I'm using a fluffy brush to go ahead and put this above my crease. Next, I'm going in with a slightly darker shade called Baby, right below my crease. I'm also using a denser brush just so that I can pack this color on a little bit more than my transition shade. Next, I'm using the color Glowing, and this is just going to start deepening my outer V. To deepen my outer V even more and my crease, I am going in with the color Not Today. And I am using my Real Techniques crease brush for this. I found that purple to not be deep enough, so I'm going in with the Masquerade mini palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm using the color Makita. Here I am taking my Morphe E17 blending brush just to blend out any harsh edges. You'll want to definitely have a few of these blending brushes and just keep on blending until it looks good. Here I'm back to my fluffy brush and I'm using the color Zobo just to help deepen up my transition shade because it kind of got lost. I wanted to add a little bit of blue to this color, so I'm going in with Juvia's Place Masquerade Mini Palette, and I'm using the shade Chi. To carve out my cut crease, I'm using Tarte Shape Tape in Tan, and I don't remember the name of this Morphe brush, but I will list all of my products in the description box. Here I'm setting my lids with my Sacha Buttercup powder just so that it doesn't get like all up on my lids and whatnot. I'm going back in with Makita just to deepen up my crease so that it doesn't get lost with my cut crease. Going back in with a clean blending brush and just blending out any harsh edges. You literally want to do this until your arms get tired. So to help my glitter adhere, I am using Too Faced Glitter Glue. And I'm just applying that with a Real Techniques lip brush. And this glitter, I believe it's from Certifeye. I'm not sure, but I got it a few years ago and I absolutely love it. And it's just a very fine pink glitter. And I'm applying this with a very flat brush. Once the glue dries and everything is set, you'll want to take a big brush and just fluff off any excess glitter. And I'm using the Maybelline Super Stay 24-Hour Foundation in 330 Toffee. I will have a review on this and a wear test very soon. I'm applying this with my Morphe 439 brush. To highlight, I am using NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Caramel. To conceal, I am using my LA Girl Pro Conceal in Beautiful Bronze. And I'm going to buff that out with my M439 brush after using this Real Techniques brush. And to set my contour, I'm using the darkest shade from my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette. This is the powder palette, and I got this from TJ Maxx, believe it or not, and I only paid $18. So check out your local TJ Maxx and Marshalls. For my brow bone, I am going in with the shade Dahlia from Juvia's Place Masquerade Mini Palette. To tightline, I am using my Morphe Bullet brush in Makita and Zobo. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what else you'd love to see.